Oh yeah. Look at this delicious frosty snack. It's so good. Oh yeah. Eat it, Stefano. You know you want to. Oh yes. Rub it all over your lips. It's so good. Oh yeah, lick that spoon and stick that straw in your mouth and suck that water out. What are you eating there, buddy? What's that called? What'd you get, Stefano? What's that cold dessert you got there?
Blizzard.
What kind of blizzard? It's got some black shit in it. Is that shit blizzard?
A whole lot of mind your own business, bitch.
It's called a what?
Mind your own business, bitch.
Come on, man. It's for the camera,
Cookie dough
bro.
and Oreo.
It's for the kids.
Cookie dough and Oreo.
Oh man, I bet that tastes pretty good, huh? Yeah, what's it taste like? Cookie dough and Oreo?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Look at that big old Oreo piece. Oh! Oh yeah! Nom nom. I'm Stefano's mouth. This is so good. Oh nom nom. I want more. Give me
How long you
more.
at the fair for?
Give me more. Oh yeah, that piece. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh. Oh nom nom. Oh, oh. That's so good. Oh yeah, it's so cold. Oh. I can barely tell. Oh, I want more. Give me more.
You're obnoxious, dude. You're obnoxious.
Oh. Oh yes. I like this. It's such a good snack.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh man.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh yeah. Oh, I love being Stefano's mouth. Oh, he treats me so good. Oh nom nom. I hope this never
It's
ends.
like leaking.
I hope it never ends. Nom nom. Okay, don't watch me eat. It's disgusting.
Oh, so
Goodbye.
turn it off, man.